Hi friends, welcome to Code Jana, and let's take a quick look at the new ChatDocsAI. I have completely reworked this app, so let's take a look at it. Let's log in with this account, or you can create a new account. Okay, so if I create a new account with the same one, I'll get an error message that it already exists. Alright, so log in with that. Wonderful. Now first we'll create an OpenAI setting. So with a valid API key, let's create a setting. And if you want to use GPT-4, make sure you have a paid subscription to that. All right, so new setting created. So now let's add a document. Let's add this as Scarlet 7. This will start the embedding. And now we can chat with the document. So what is the page about? Okay, so it's a conversation between two characters. Amazing. All right, so it's working. Let's take a look at the YouTube one. So this is the one I saved. All right, so Sam Altman is a recent. Okay, so it's loaded. And now you can play this right here. And here is the actual transcription that you have of this video. So let's also ask, what's the video about? So it is about the discussion and efforts surrounding artificial intelligence. Good. Now let's check out the web URL. So this is the Bootstrap one. Right, so let's ask what the page about. So it is about Bootstrap front-end toolkit. Yeah, that's actually correct. So let's finally check the audio one. I have this audio. Upload. Okay, so successfully uploaded. Let's click on it. Great, so you can play it from here.
Whisper from OpenAI is undeniably their biggest contribution to open source AI.
Okay, now let's ask, so what's the page about? So yeah, a page about open source AI model called Faster Whisper. So great, so all of the document types are working. Let's take a look at settings. So all your global settings are gonna be here. In free plan, you can save 3 settings and you can mix and match among the temperature, max tokens, and activate each setting one by one. All right, so let's take a look at the profile section. So here you can change everything except the username. You can update your password, email, first name, last name, and even this picture. So if I were to select this, hit save, and yes, so user updated, and we have this profile here. Now I'm currently working on several features, so you can join the waitlist for Pro, or if you want instant access, not these limitations that you're seeing here, then you can click either this or this instant access button. You'll see that I have 2 plans, one for personal use case and one for business use case. For personal, you'll have everything unlimited. Even the future upgrades are gonna be updated with this application, and you can buy it from gumroad.com. So I'll be updating newer versions there for you to instantly update yourself. Nothing will cost you extra. So yeah, you'll have unlimited documents, all the data types like PDF, video, audio, URLs. You can have unlimited pages, size, question, response, and no limits there. You'll have unlimited OpenAI settings, okay? So you can bring in multiple OpenAI. You can mix and match several settings and save them and use. And you don't have to worry about app setup. I'll be creating a full tutorial on how to get started with this application. This is just a quick demo. So still, if you want my help, you can schedule a meeting. It's a 1-hour app setup meeting and I'll set everything up for you. So yeah, that's everything in the personal plan. In business plan, I will actually create a customized solution for you with everything related to this. If you want some open source AI models, then I can integrate that as well. A different vector database among one of these. A long-term memory if you want with your chat application, I can enable Redis database with it as well. And I can also integrate Langchain tools. So yeah, we'll discuss this over a 45-minute meeting on Zoom. So you can schedule a meeting with Calendly. So yeah, that's it. That's all for this video. And I'll have a complete thorough walkthrough of this application in my next video. So make sure to watch it.